my name is Alui.
And I'm Ryan.
And we are the Alton Group. Welcome to our June Deerfield Market Update.
Let's start out by talking about the interest rates. Right now we are currently sitting about 6.5%. If we look at this graph here, we can see that earlier this year we were at just below 6%, then we went up and then we went down a little bit, and now we're back up to 6.5%. The Iran conflict has a lot to do with this volatility and the increase in the interest rates right now, but we are still lower than we were a year ago. Last year at this time we were at 6.85%. So while we don't like to see the interest rates increasing at all, we are still better off than we have been over the last 3 years. Next, let's look at the San Antonio real estate and see what's going on locally. Here are the most recent numbers for San Antonio. These numbers are comparing April 2026 to April 2025. The takeaway here is that home prices and sales are staying about the same. Days on market is up 12%. New listings and active listings are up 11 and 12%. So the numbers are telling us there is a lot of inventory on the market. It's sitting for a longer period of time, and while the prices are staying about the same. An interesting stat here for this month is the months of inventory is over 6 months. This has been over 6 months in 4 different times over the past 6 years. It doesn't happen that often. When it goes over 6 months, most experts call this a buyer's market, and we generally see the home prices go down a little bit. We are also right in the prime time of home selling season right now. May and June are some of the busiest months of the year. So it'll be interesting to see what happens throughout the course of the rest of the summer.
And now to talk about what's going on in Deerfield. So there are currently 9 homes listed on the market, ranging from $485,000 to $725,000, with an average price per square foot of $202. And the average days of market have actually lowered a little bit to 75 days on market. We also have 5 current properties that are pending, which should close here soon. And in the month of May, 3 homes sold in Deerfield and closed. What we're seeing again, and I know we say this a lot, but in Deerfield, it's faring better than the San Antonio averages as a whole. The homes are selling quicker and for a higher dollar amount. But again, we really need to remember that if you are thinking about listing your home, that you want to make sure that it's market ready. The homes that are moving quickly in Deerfield and for top dollar are the ones that are ready, move-in ready for the buyer. Homes that are distressed, outdated, or may have some deferred maintenance, those homes are definitely staying on the market a lot longer, and they're taking a hit on the pricing. So we'd love to come by and speak to you guys. We do free listing consultations. We have a list of vetted contractors also to help you get your home market ready. And we'd love to come by and talk to you. Even if you're thinking about moving a year or 2 or 3 out, it's always good to get a game plan started so you're not scrambling around last minute trying to get it ready.
Absolutely, especially on certain issues like landscaping and other things that take a while to implement. Some things could take over 6 months. So always good to have a game plan in place before you list a home.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for tuning in to our June market update.